अरे बच्चों, कल आपको हमने हिमालयन रिवर्स के बारे में पढ़ाया था। आज पेनिनसुलर रिवर के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। पेनिनसुलर रिवर आर सीजनेबल रिवर। सीजनेबल में सीजन के अकॉर्डिंग टू सीजन के अनुसार बहती हैं और ग्रीष्म ऋतु आने पर या समर में ये ड्राई हो जाती है, सूख जाती हैं। इनके बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर ये जो मुख्य इस पाठ में जो नदियाँ दी गई हैं वो 6 नदियाँ 6 टाइप ऑफ रिवर दी गई हैं। सबसे पहले इसके बारे में पढ़ें। इन द पेनिनसुलर इंडिया द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ water divide is caused by Western Ghat, which is located north to south near the western coast. The river in the peninsular part mostly flow eastward. The main river are the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. ये आपकी मुख्य नदियाँ। These rivers form delta at their mouth. Many small streams flow westward from the Western Ghat. The Narmada and Tapti are the only 2 major rivers which flow westward and create tidal mouth estuary. The drainage basin of the peninsular river are comparatively smaller in size. The main basin of the peninsular river are followed. The Narmada Basin. The source of Narmada is near the Amarkantak hill in Madhya Pradesh. अमरकंटक के पास से एक चोटी है मध्य प्रदेश में, वहाँ से ये निकलती नदी। इट फ्लो वेस्टवर्ड, ये पश्चिम की ओर बहती है। इन द रिफ्ट वैली। इन द कोर्स ऑफ इट्स फ्लो टू द सी, this river form many worth-seeing spots near the Jabalpur. The river flows through a deep gorge over the marble rocks, where it falls down in steep slope and creates the Dhaundhar Fall. All the tributaries of the Narmada are very small. Most of them join main stream at right angle. The Narmada basin is spread over some parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Second river, the Tapti basin. The origin of the Tapti river lies in the Satpura range of the Betul district in Madhya Pradesh. The Tapti also flows parallel to the Narmada through a rift valley, but it is very short in its length. Its basin separates in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra state. The coastal region between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat is very narrow, so the coastal rivers are short in length. The Sabarmati, the Mahi, the Brahmaputra and the Periyar are main west flowing rivers. हमने मुख्य 2 नदियाँ पहले बताई जो वेस्टवर्ड हैं, अब पश्चिमी घाट की ओर बहती हैं, नर्मदा और ताप्ती। इसके अलावा हमने बताया नर्मदा के अलावा माही, साबरमती और ब्रह्मपुरा और पेरियर नाम की ये 4 नदियाँ और छोटी छोटी हैं जो पश्चिम की ओर बहती हुई अरब सागर में गिरती हैं। गोदावरी बेसिन। द गोदावरी इज द लार्जेस्ट पेनिनसुलर रिवर. इट फ्लो फ्रॉम द स्लोप ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट ऑफ द नासिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन महाराष्ट्र. इट्स लेंथ इज 1500 किलोमीटर. इट concludes in the Bay of Bengal. Among the peninsular river, its drainage system is the largest. About 50% of the basin of Godavari lie in Maharashtra. Beside it, the basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana. A number of tributaries such as Purna, Vardha, Paranhita, या Manjra, the Wainganga and the Penganga join mainstream tributaries. Out of these, the Manjara and Wainganga and the Penganga are largest tributaries. किस नदी की हैं? ये आपकी नदी गोदावरी है, इसकी ये हैं। फिर है इसके बाद में out of these Manjara and Wainganga and Penganga are largest tributaries. Godavari is also called Dakshin Ganga due to its length and size. The Mahanadi Basin. The Mahanadi River has its origin in the highlands of Chhattisgarh, flowing through Odisha. It reaches the Bay of Bengal. It is 860 km in length. Its drainage basin separate in Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Krishna Basin rise from the source near the Mahabaleshwar in Western Ghat of Maharashtra. It falls in the Bay of Bengal after covering the distance of about 1,400 km. The Tungabhadra, the Koyna and Brabha लिखा है, the Mushi and Bhima are some of its tributaries. Its drainage covers parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Kaveri Basin. The Kaveri originated in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghat and falls in the Bay of Bengal in the south of Kudalur in Tamil Nadu. It is length 760 km in length. Amravati, Bhavani, Hemwati and Kabini are its main tributaries. Its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It spied of these large rivers. Some smaller rivers flow towards coast. Some such rivers include Damodar, Brahmani, Vaitarani and Swarnarekha. अब लैक कौन कौन पाई जाती हैं? लैक मीन्स झील. Where the water collects each lowland on the earth, lakes are formed. The lakes with the huge size are called sea, like Caspian Sea and Dead Sea and the Aral Sea. Most of lakes are permanent, while some are live only in the rainy season. The lake in the basin of inland drainage in semi-arid region are such examples. Some lakes are the result of the action of glacier and the ice sea. Besides it, wind, rivers and human activities also create lakes. There are many kinds of lake in India. They are oxbow lake, lagoon lakes, seasonal lakes and artificial lake, etc. Flowing are some notable lakes. Oxbow lakes. The meander rivers create oxbow lakes by cutting into the floodplains. Lagoon lakes are created by the process of spit and the sandbar. Spit is the process in which some part of the land goes down in the sea. Chilka Lake, Odisha. Pulicat Lake and Koleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh are some examples of lagoon lakes. Seasonal lakes found in the inland parts of the sometimes seasonal lake. The Sambar Lake of Rajasthan is an example. It is a saltwater lake. Its water is used in manufacturing salt. Freshwater lake. Such lakes of freshwater are mostly found in the Himalayan region. When the glacier form deep basin, such type of lakes are formed. Thereafter, these lakes are filled with water when the ice melts. In contrast, the blue lakes of Jammu Kashmir is the creation of geological activity. The rural lake is the largest natural lake of fresh water in India. The other major lakes of fresh water are the Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Loktak and Barapani etc. Artificial lake कौन कौन है? The lakes artificial means made by man. Lakes created for human needs are called artificial lakes. Guru Gobind Sagar and Himachal Pradesh is an example of it. Importance of lake दिया हुआ है, lake कितनी है, importance of river के बारे में दिया हुआ है, ये आप पढ़ के आइए। धन्यवाद।